Yes, the best pair we had it today was the pound, euro pound, and the pound Swiss franc. That was the favorite trade today, one-way traffic. If you look at the euro pound, that was a pretty straightforward. I explained my trader, if the price gonna respect and break this level, then we have free traffic. And that's what I explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback, pullback, pullback. And that's what happened here. If you look at, hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day, and I hope you have banked amazing profit. What a blessing day. Most of my traders bank amazing profit, 100 plus pips. Let me share with you how I help them to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis in real time, and also how I help them and train them, coach them price action with the live market. And if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system. Let me share with you how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, and later I'm going to show you the best trades of the day. Right, so Euro USD, if you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4 hour, we had it, if you look at this, we have inside candle pattern, we have this breakout at the Asian session. And as you can see here, price almost respected around this resistance level. And we have a short trade afterwards. And let me share with you how I analyze and how I train my trader through price action entries in Euro USD today. That was an amazing trade because we had a sort of like a consolidation, but within the consolidation, I've taken the opportunities to train my traders. So let me share with you guys how I did. If you look at this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA, bank some profit, and afterwards, as explained, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my traders because we were talking, and I said, okay, what's your point of view? Then I explained the price action in detail. I said that's my point of interest, and I explained them why, because that's why we're giving them training. That's another one. We said this one, the point of interest. So that's the most important thing is, if the price gonna break this level, then we're taking a long, or if the price gonna break this level, then taking a short. But these are the possibilities. The first priority would be the pullback short here, and if the price gonna break and retest, then long here. As you can see here, price respected this level. That was the beautiful, as mentioned, short trade here. That's why we have taken a short trade here. After the breakout, as always, we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. So we had a small PPs on Euro USD, bank some profit, and afterwards, as you can see, then again explain to my trader, let's watch the price action carefully here. As you can see here, price develop a false breakout, but now we had this point of interest before. Now this is the point of interest. If the price gonna break, then long. If the price gonna break short here, more likely it's gonna break because we have confirmation here as the price break, basically develop a false breakout and respected this previous low. And that's what exactly happened. As soon as the price broken, we announced through live ID commentary. We challenge ourselves every day through live intraday analysis. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explained and first target, and explained my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let's see another price action. More likely we were expecting a pullback, but as you can see here, price came back impulsively. And then when I explained, then now we have this point of interest. That's what I explained to my trader, and look for this one. If the price gonna break, that's the sign of short trade here. Otherwise, this break, as you can see here, price nicely broken even after the breakout. Price retest, and as soon as the price hit this support level, explain my trader it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another piece. As you can see here, the price develop another analysis after banking some profit. Look for another pullback. So we had another pullback. As soon as the price came back here, trader was asking probably is going to shoot up because we might going to have a false breakout. Then I updated that analysis instantly. As you can see here, I said to my trader, if the price, now this is the level of interest. Why we telling them? Because we train them, and that's why we're training them with the live market, not historical price, with the live market, guys. So if the price gonna break, then long, otherwise break short trade here. You can see here, price broken after the breakout, pullback. We have another pullback, and that's what I explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here, as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we train trader with the live intraday analysis in real time. That's the beauty of this system. We train price action alongside the analysis so they can enjoy, they can learn, or they can earn at the same time. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Right, so pound dollar, look at this pound dollar, right? I was expecting probably it's going to shoot down because Prime Minister resigned today in the UK. So, but I said to my trader, guys, trade what you see it, not what you think. Okay, so we had a beautiful long trade here, and we also had a counter short trade here. And if you look at here, this candle was giving a significant information possibility reversal. But I said to my trader, trade what you see it. If the price gonna stay above this level, then take a long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And that was the beautiful trade here and beautiful training, live training. Okay, so this is the analysis being done at the night at the Asian session. And that was a pretty straightforward breakout. After the breakout pullback, and in the London morning session, I also updated this analysis. I explained to my trader that's the point of interest, but this is also level. If the price gonna keep, we're only going to take a short if the price gonna break the recent low and retest. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback. I say pullback, pullback, pullback. That's what I explained. Momentum is bullish. You can see here one pullback, second pullback, bang some profit, and afterwards price came reverse. And explained to my trader, look here. Then again, coaching and training, I said to guys, look, this is the point of interest. Then again, this is the price action technique which we train our trader. Why this is the point of interest? Why this one? I say if this is gonna break, take a long break, short trade here, and symmetric triangle pattern. Now price broken, another one after the breakout pullback, amazing long trade here. And after banking some profit, once we hear the resignation of Prime Minister, then we said, okay guys, possibility of reversal. Then again, as soon as the price reverse impulsively, explain my trader point of interest, and this one, if it's gonna break, a price broken after the breakout, as always, pull back short, banking amazing profit. And at the New York session, as explained to my trader, look, this is the point of interest. If the price gonna respect, then short trade here. Otherwise, if the price gonna break and retest, then long here. If you look at here, the price broken this level, and after the breakout price went up and retest, and that's what we announced through live audio commentary, guys. Now price is going to develop a false breakout and retest, give us the confirmation, take a long trade here, and keep taking, enjoying pullback. So we had amazing long trade on pound dollar, dollar CAD, one-way traffic short, beautiful trade, guys. As you can see here this morning, as soon the price broken the previous low, price came back here, we have taken all the short trade here until the price hit this level. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. Beautiful trade, guys, today. As if you look at the euro dollar CAD, this is the analysis at the Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and a London morning, as always, after the breakout pullback. You can see here beautiful two pullbacks, bank some profit, and then as soon as the price reverse at this level, most of the trader, they were expecting might gonna be long here because the price was respecting this level, and I said to no. Then I updated that analysis instantly. You can see here. Then again, explain, look for these are the level of interest if the price gonna break long, otherwise keep taking a short trade here, pullback. You can see here price broken this level, even after the breakout price retest, beautiful short trade here, banking amazing profit. And as soon as the price reverse, trader was asking, look here, we have false breakout, probably price gonna shoot up. I said no, look this point of interest and this one. If the price gonna break, then we're taking a long, otherwise break, short trade here, price broken. As our policy, trade what you see it, not what you think. And that's what we train with the live market. Breakout, as soon as the price hit the previous low level, bank some profit. After banking some profit, price came back again, as you can see here. Then again, I explained, look for this point of interest. If the price gonna break, then long, otherwise break and short. You can see here, price refused to break this level and break on this one, pull back, momentum was bearish and beautiful. As soon as the price hit again this level, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, how we enjoyed it, pipping every single day through live intraday analysis. Yes, the best pair we had it today was the pound, euro pound, and the pound Swiss franc. That was the favorite trade today, one-way traffic. If you look at the euro pound, that was a pretty straightforward. I explained my trader, if the price gonna respect and break this level, then we have free traffic, and that's what explain my trader, just keep taking a pullback, pullback, pullback. And that's what happened here. If you look at all of my intraday analysis since, let me make it, you can see since the Asian session, I explained my trader, just keep taking it. That was a no-brainer trade, guys. If you look at here, this was the analysis. We've been short. You can see we've been short from yesterday. And this is the analysis at the New York's the Asian session. Only pullback if the price gonna break the recent high. Otherwise, short trade here, pullback, announce all these short trade here. Even in the London morning session, you can see here, explain this is breakout, price developed some sort of consolidation, there's a possibility of reversal. But I said to guys, look, price was at this level. I said, guys, just keep taking a pullback, banking some profit. At the London morning session, even in the New York session, I said to guys, trader was expecting, I said, no, we have a free traffic. As long as the price does not break the recent high, keep enjoying this pullback short trade here. And as you can see, what amazing trade on euro pound. And same thing, we had it, beautiful trade, amazing trade on pound Swiss franc. If you look at here, price respected many times. This is major support level. And we have this breakout, price nicely broken the previous high. I explain my trader, just guys, just look for pullbacks until the price can hit the previous high. We had an amazing trade, guys, beautiful. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. All of my analysis was long. I said, guys, keep taking along. Okay, so this is the analysis at the Asian session, breakout at this consolidation, pullback, London morning session. Look for pullback and announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary. Pullback. Then another one at the, you can see London morning session. We had this banking some profit, and afterwards price was developing a double top. Mostly trader was thinking possibility of reversal. I say, guys, that's the point of interest. If the price gonna break, just keep enjoying pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see, let's wait for the New York session. At the New York session, as you can see here, momentum developed bearish. I say, guys, still I can see it's gonna go up, but we're going to trade what we see it. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for pullback at this level. You can see price did not develop any pullback. As you can see, as soon as the price broken previous high, as mentioned in the analysis, and after the breakout, price retest. Say, guys, bang it, beautiful pullback. You can see, guys, what a blessing trades today we had it on pound Swiss franc and the euro pound. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, guys, the interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in a real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train every single day with a live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.